Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and to all the people seeing me for the first time, this is me Hitesha, and I will be there with you guys for next 15 to 20 minutes, and we are going to create this look right here, which is very simple yet very sexy, and you can rock this look with any outfit or to any event. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial for this look. So today, to prep my face, that is to moisturize and prep together, I am using my Farsali Unicorn Essence. I just love how this makes the skin so soft and supple. So that's about it for the moisturizer. Moving on, for my primer, I'm gonna use my favorite primer from Sugar Cosmetics. It is their Blur, I think, stick primer. I don't remember the name exactly. I will link it down below. And for my foundation today, I'm using the foundation from Palladio Beauty, and it suits very good for my oily skin type. So people from oily skin type can definitely check this out. This is a very good foundation with medium to buildable coverage, and as you can see, I am happy with the medium coverage. So in case if you want to build it up also, that can be done very easily. And I personally love this with this buffing brush because it gives a very natural and such a good finish. Also, you can use a beauty blender. It performs great with the beauty blender as well. And for my contour, the Palladio matte bronzer has become my favorite bronzer or contour or whatever you call it, because I just love how warm this is and it looks so flattering on my skin tone. So I'm just using this, and guys, this is really pigmented, so be careful, and you need a very little amount, and it looks really completely flawless. Also, I just love how matte this is, and it gives the perfect look, sculpted look to your face. So definitely check this out. Now for my concealer, I am using one of my favorites again. It is from L'Oreal Infallible, their full wear concealer, and this is in the shade 312, and it looks super flattering on me. Also because I have fine lines under my eye area, so this does not tend to accentuate any of it and just gives such a nice and good coverage. I just love this concealer, and also I've used a very little quantity. Like, I took out the pump, also took out the excess product from the pump, and then used it all over my face, and you can see how it covers everything. Now when it comes to setting my base, my concealer, my foundation all together in place, Palladio Rice Press powder has been my holy grail and my favorite, because this powder works like magic. It does not, accentuate my pores or something, and it sets and locks in my makeup for a really long time. So I just tend to use this with a fluffy brush like this and just pat it over generously, because this will not make your look any cakey or any sort of heavy look on the face. It looks really good. I recently posted a first impressions video, guys, with all the products from Palladio. So today I just love the product so much, especially the bronzer. So I thought, why not tweak in a look one more with the bronzer itself. So I am here concentrating the bronzer in my outer area of the eye. Also, I'm going to pull it little bit towards the inner side. So here first I will concentrate on the outer eye, and then I will cover it just above the lid, like as my transition shade, but I am going to make it deeper so it looks like, you know, my eyes are bigger, and as you can see how it defines contours the eyes, and they look so good. Now tweaking it again, I am using the Palladio rice press powder, yes, which I use to set my base. I am just using to give you know, contrasting shade here over the lids, also so that my contour on the eye pops a bit. So this is how you can use just one or two products multiple ways, and it is so easy. Now moving on to this highlighter, this is from Swiss Beauty, and I firstly took out this to just use, you know, as a inner corner pop, but then I felt why not add a little on extra drama, so I just pulled it in over the powder where we placed and just use the highlighter also. So I have done my mascara and everything, and you see how the eyes look gorgeous. Now moving on to the blush, I am using this Makeup Revolution palette, and I wanted a little bit of more of, you know, pinkier side blush, so I just use this in combination. And now for the lipstick, I'm going to use one of my favorite shades. This is from Nykaa, and hands down this lipstick is so good. And also it is a lip and cheek tint, so you invest in one product and you get two benefits out of it. So this product is a must have. I will link it down below for you guys, and as you can see the shade is so mesmerizing, so gorgeous, and the shade name is Serena. So Gossip Girl is one of my favorite series, so if you have seen that, she wore this shade so many times, and it is so sexy, so flattering, and I completely love this shade. And as you can see, once we have completed the look, it looks so good. And now for that extra little, you know, vibe, I am going to add the same highlighter which I used for my eyes, and I'm using it over my shoulders, my collarbone, neck area, and also, you know, all over the place where the light is gonna hit me, so that it looks so flattering. And I love to glow all the time, so this is my hack which I use to, you know, look all glowy and super dewy all the time. And with that, we are done with this look, guys, and I am obsessed with the shade and the formula and everything of this lipstick. This is the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Tint, so it is 2-in-1. You can use it as your lipstick as well as your blush, so it's a win-win situation. And this is in the shade Serena, and look at how pigmented this is, guys. I just loved how it turned out on my lips, and also I love the applicator of this, because you do not need a lip liner explicitly. You can just go on very easily with this truly obsessed. A 10 on 10 from my side. And anybody who wants, or who wants to invest in a very budget friendly lipstick, I would recommend you guys to go for this one, because I have seen this on Nykaa most of the times on sale price, and which is 315 rupees. Yes, 315, which is such a great deal. So definitely check this out and let me know in the comments below if you like my recommendation and like the lipstick, if you at all try out. Also tag me on your Instagram stories so I get to know how do you like my looks and my recommendations. So that's it from me for now. It's me, Hitesha, signing off. I will see you in my next. Bye.